Hey everybody, Chris here. Well, after a weekend of sideways trading, little up and down action, but pretty low volume, didn't really go anywhere. We had a dip overnight though, and Dogecoin trying to recover back up to where it was for the weekend, but having a hard time doing that. So we're going to take a look at that in this video. Please, as always, subscribe to my channel. Appreciate the support. Hit that little notification bell so you can be notified when new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams Monday nights and Friday nights. We get together, chat about Dogecoin and other altcoins, Bitcoin a little bit as well. Always good to get together, forming this community, talking about the charts, with the trading, keeping it real. That's what we do here on the Chris channel. So be sure to subscribe, like the video. Always appreciate that support as well. So, trading into the week, it looks like we're going to have kind of this continuation of the sideways trading. This week is probably going to be pretty quiet till the end of the week, and I'll show you why in the news in just a little bit. But that's how we are right now. This is still the summer, pretty slow, not expecting much movement right now. But yeah, a little dip overnight wasn't great. Hoping to get Dogecoin back up over 7 cents, but I think that's going to have a hard time making it. So let's go ahead. Let's take a look at the news and the charts. I'll show you what I'm looking at. So we'll start here by looking at the Dogecoin chart, and this was the trading over the weekend. Low volume, just pretty much sideways trading until this little dip overnight. So that's Dogecoin in a nutshell there. If I zoom out and I go to the 4-hour, we're watching this blue support, a rising support that Dogecoin has had for some time, and Dogecoin dropped below that support this morning. By dropping below that support, what we could see trading forward is that support becomes resistance and Dogecoin can't get above it. So trading between 660 and 680 right now, Dogecoin's going to be stuck in this area. But Bitcoin also did a little dip, recovering back. It's well underneath its rising support line, but that's now up at 22,500. So Bitcoin has a little ways to go, and Ethereum never even got near its support because it had been trading so well last week in anticipation of the merge. However, that great rise that Ethereum had hasn't been able to hold, and Ethereum has dropped back quite a bit over the week. In fact, if we look at the coin market cap for the week, Ethereum down 17%, Bitcoin down 11%, and here's Doge down 12% now for the week, but still in the 10th position in total market cap. So Dogecoin still holding well. So what's going on? Bitcoin, Ethereum rebound from weekend lows. That was until we had the dip early this morning. Dogecoin is weak though, and we see that on the charts. An analyst says this metric points to a higher chance of a rise. So I actually just want to come back down to this tweet here. After Bitcoin fell below 20.9K, Ethereum below 1540 yesterday, markets have rebounded a bit. Exchanges are seeing high levels of short trades coming in as people fear drops to June levels again. As long as they bet against markets, there's a higher chance of a rise. Now, I don't get why that is a rise, because shorting usually leads to drops. And when we see the shorts come out, we see drops in the market. And especially when we're looking at the charts and we're seeing that we think the prices are already low, and yet they're still getting shorted. So that means, to me, even lower prices ahead. Markets, Bitcoin, Ether dip, Doge and Sheep slide, Jackson Hole merge in focus. So this is what will be coming up Feroz Medora, Asia-Pacific Managing Director for crypto exchange Gemini, told Forecast that the current movement in crypto prices is a very classic manifestation of the phenomenon of trading bear markets and typical bear market action, and that there's always a bit of a relief rally. So we had that rally. Markets have come back down. This is a typical bear market. And like I've been saying, guys, we're still in a bear market. It feels like what's driving the market and price action right now is more on the macro and the Fed, macro adding that an upcoming risk event is the Jackson Hole meetings in the US Fed. So this is at the end of this week. Reserve Chair Jerome Powell is expected to deliver a keynote speech Friday. Going to be closely watching for signals on the direction of interest rates. The Ethereum's merge, expected to occur on September 15th or 16th. We don't have the exact date because it's based on blocks, not an exact time or day. Could also be a factor moving the market. The volatility of Ethereum is going to be even higher as the merge approaches. People are betting on the market, placing different strategies. Is Ethereum going to go up because of the merge, or is it going to drop? There are arguments both ways. I don't know which way that's going to go. Tough to say. So this article, 3 reasons why the Bitcoin price bottom is not in. So this is really just looking at Bitcoin. I don't understand this first one about the hash ribbons. To me, what's going on with the miners right now is that there's rising energy costs, rising electricity costs is really impacting profitability for mining Bitcoin right now. So I think all views of the past of mining you throw that out the window. We have a lot of mining companies just turning their machines off now because their electricity rates are so high they can't make a profit. So they're just turning off their machines. So yeah, this is pretty tough right now, and it's why I believe the bear market is still going to continue through the fall. Rising interest rates, and even if they're not as high in the United States as they have been, they're still moderately going to be raising, but we've got bigger inflation problems around the world. EU, UK, going to be a real challenge. This is just looking at the Bitcoin chart, this rising wedge, typical bear pattern, and we could see Bitcoin drop back to 17,600. That's a signal that you usually see with this rising wedge formation with this breakdown setup. So that could be coming. And also, Bitcoin had surged since June when Bitcoin was at 17,600. And there's growing expectations inflation has peaked. I don't believe so, though, because I think that's just a United States thing. And I think inflation is going to stay at this high rate in the US while it continues to increase in the EU, UK, and other places. So yeah, pretty tough that we could actually see, though, in order to quell this inflation, interest rates rising up 75 basis points again, maybe in September. That would be tough for the markets. So Bitcoin and other risk-on assets, which fell into a bear market territory when the Fed began an aggressive tightening cycle in March, should remain under pressure for the next few years. Yep, we're talking about bear market extending for years, not stopping anytime soon. So this could be a long ride, guys. We could be in this for a long time, and that's what a lot of these articles are pointing to. That we're not going to be seeing a big crypto bull run anytime soon. So I'll be watching Dogecoin trading throughout the week. I'll be on vacation, but I'll probably squeeze in a video from my vacation spot during the week. Might be having a little Dogecoin giveaway as well. So be sure to tune into that. But I am going to get one more live stream in on Monday night. So tonight, Monday, if you are able to tune into that. Right now, I've been around 8 o'clock Boston time. So please be sure to check that out. Give the video a like, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this weekend trading and where Dogecoin is this week. And give the video a like again. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.